Hi friends, today we are going to see the AC on 15th August, Independence Day. Introduction. 15th August is a very special day for all Indians. It is the day when India got freedom from British rule in 1947. Every year we celebrate this day as Independence Day. This day reminds us of the bravery, sacrifice, and unity of our freedom fighters. It is not just a holiday, it is the day to feel proud and thankful. India before 1947. Before we got freedom, India was ruled by the British for more than 200 years. They took away our land, our wealth, and our rights. Indians were treated like second class citizens in their own country. They could not speak freely or live with dignity. There was poverty, pain, and fear everywhere. But the people of India did not give up. They started the freedom struggle. Some used peaceful ways, while others fought with weapons. But all of them had the same dream, a free and independent India. Heroes of our freedom struggle. Many brave men and women came forward to fight for the country. Some of them are Mahatma Gandhi. He led the freedom movement with truth and non-violence. His movements like Dandi March and Quiet India movement inspired millions. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev. These young heroes sacrificed their lives for the country's freedom. Subhash Chandra Bose. He believed in the slogan, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom," and formed the INA, Indian National Army. Rani Lakshmibai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Sardar Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, and many more also played important roles. Even ordinary people, farmers, women, students, and workers joined the movement. It was the people's fight. Importance of Independence Day. Independence Day is not just about celebrations. It reminds us of the value of freedom and the struggle behind it. We enjoy many rights today, like the free right to speak, vote, study, and live freely because someone fought for them. This day also teaches us the importance of unity. India is a country with many languages, religions, and culture. Still, we stood together to fight the British, and today also we must stay united to make our country stronger. Message for today's youth. The youth of today are the future of tomorrow. They must take inspiration from freedom fighters and work for the progress of the country. In today's world, the battle is not with weapons, but with education, technology, innovation, and honesty. Be proud of your country, contribute to society, and never forget the sacrifices of our heroes. Stay away from corruption, hatred, and negativity. Be a responsible Indian and make your country proud. Conclusion. 15th August is not just a date, it is a feeling of pride, struggle, and patriotism. It reminds us that freedom is earned through courage and sacrifice. As we enjoy our feline. Let us bow our heads in respect to all those who give their lives for our nation. Let's take a pledge that we will protect our freedom, help our country grow, and always keep the tricolor flying high with pride. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. If you enjoy our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comment which topic you would like to see next. Thanks.